Good morning, class 9. Hope everybody is fine. Okay, so we are in chapter number 4, linear equations in two variables. Today we will discuss certain questions where we have to frame an equation from the given information. Okay, so I have taken two questions from exercise 4.3. Give the equations of any two lines passing through the point 2, 14. How many more such lines are there and why? See, very simple. You have been provided with a point 2, 14. Now, this is abscissa, this is ordinate. This represents x and ordinate represents y. Very simple. You can frame numerous, infinite number of equations. X plus y equal to 16, 2 plus 14. Okay. I can take 4x minus y. 4x is 8 minus 14 equal to minus 6. You got it? Two equations. More you can frame anything like 7x minus y equal to 0. 2x plus 2y. 2x is 4. 2y is 28. 28 plus 4. 32. You can frame as many equations as you wish to. Now the question says how many such equations are possible? Infinite equations can be made. Infinite such equations. Why? Because see what happens. See children, here we see a bunch of lines passing through one single point. So this point is the solution to all these lines. Okay, such lines are called concurrent lines. So through a point, any point in the Cartesian plane, infinite lines can pass, and all those lines will be known as concurrent lines. Okay, and this point serves as the solution to all those lines. Right, children? Okay, coming to another question. The taxi fare in a city is as follows. Taxi fare. For the first kilometer it is rupees 8 and for the subsequent distance it is rupees 5 per kilometer. If we consider x as total distance traveled in kilometers and rupees y as the total fare, then we have to frame a linear equation for this. Okay. Now, cost per kilometer rupees 5, total distance x kilometers, total fare rupees y. Okay, now it is y equal to 5x plus some constant k. We don't know what it is. Now question says when x is 1 for the first kilometer the fare is rupees 8. If I put y equal to 8 here, this becomes 5 into 1 5 plus k. So what do I get? K equal to 3. This is the constant. Now our equation is y equal to 5x plus 3. Simple. Y equal to 5x plus some constant. This constant can be 0. A line, if passed through the origin, it will not have the constant. It will have a term of x and it will have a term of y. We don't know anything about this line, what this line is going to be. Okay. So we'll take the form y total fare is equal to rupees 5 into per kilometer, right? 5x plus some constant k. We don't know. We have to find that k. Only then this equation will be complete. So we have a condition available in the question. For the first kilometer, the charge is rupees 8. So y equal to rupees 8, x is equal to 1 kilometer. So 5 into 1 is 5 plus constant. So k equal to 8 minus 5, 3. So this equation turns out to be y equal to 5x plus 3. अब आपको जो भी डिस्टेंस के ऊपर फेयर पता करना, सपोज 3 किलोमीटर्स. If we travel 3 kilometers, what will be the fare? So y equal to 5 into 3 15, 15 plus 3 18, right? Now if I travel 3 kilometers, I am getting y equal to 3 into 5 15, 15 plus 3 that is rupees 18. You can cross check it. 3 kilometers. First kilometer के लिए rupees 8. Okay. Then remaining 2 kilometers. Per kilometer cost कितना? Rupees 5. 2 into 5 10. 10 plus 8 18. Got it, children? This is how you can cross check whatever you have done, right? So one more thing, there is one more question in this exercise. The work done on a body is directly proportional to the distance traveled by the body. So W is proportional to S, distance traveled. Now to remove the proportionality, we have to introduce a constant. That constant can be taken as force, W equal to Fs. Now this is a relationship. W is equal to Fs. Okay. Now if I say substitute, if the force applied is 5 newtons, so W equal to 5s. Now this is a linear equation in the form y equal to 5x. This is a linear equation in the form y equal to 5x. Now if someone says the distance traveled by the body is 2 units, so work done will be 10 units. Distance traveled by the body is 0 units, work done is 0. Distance traveled by the body is 10 units, so 10 into 5 50, work done will be 50 units. I hope you have understood how to frame the equation, solve the questions. In case you have any doubt, feel free to come up with the doubts. Okay.